also set to elect a new government after Andhra Pradesh as well. We are now learning that the NDA legislature party meet is over and expect the announcement of the CM to be made any time soon. All right, we are learning that Mohan Maji will be the next Chief Minister of Odisha. That's the big breaking input we are bringing to you on the Chief Ministerial face of Odisha. Odisha's BJP legislature party has declared Mohan Maji as its leader and the CM candidate. Let's quickly go across to Thabir Samal, who's joining me on the phone line. Thabir, if you could share details and more information on Mohan Maji with us.
After the legislative party meeting, now we are getting information Mohan Maji, the new CM of Odisha, and the legislative party meeting of Bhajpa, just it has been declared, and also two faces, Deputy CM KB Singh Deo, name also coming. Now,
all right, we seem to have lost the audio over there with Thabir, but important to highlight that Mohan Maji's name is finally being rounded up on as Odisha's Chief Minister. Senior leaders as Suresh Pujari, Basant Panda, Sameer Mohanty and Nityananda Gond have also accompanied Samal, and these were all names that were also earlier doing the rounds as far as a post of the Odisha CM is concerned. But Mohan Maji is the name that we are learning of. Remember, the BJP is making conscious efforts to come up with names that have a grassroots connect. We've seen that happen in the case of Madhya Pradesh, even Rajasthan, where lesser known names have made it to the chief ministerial post, and something that is also happening in Odisha perhaps. But as of now, we can tell you that Mohan Maji is all set to be the next and new chief minister of Odisha. Quite a break away from tradition as far as the previous posts and governance of Naveen Patnaik is concerned. The BJP all set to form its maiden government in Odisha. Thabir is back with us. Thabir, please go ahead and finish what
you can visualize the several leaders' name was there in the discussion, but apart from that, legislative party meeting, the tribal leader, the popular and tribal leader of Northern Odisha part, Keonjhar Sadar MLA, Mohan Maji will be the next CM of Odisha. Now the press briefing is going on. Union Minister Rajnath Singh is briefing.
Thabir, important to also focus on the larger and greater messaging by the Bharatiya Janata Party over here, considering Mohan Maji is a known tribal face, representing the tribal community, is also known to have a grassroots connect. What is the overall messaging as the BJP now appoints him as the new Chief Minister of Odisha?
Definitely, Mohan Maji is a popular tribal leader, and he's also very clean image, and similarly, geographically point of view also in northern part, also Mohan Maji is a tribal.
सूरमा पाड़ी, रवि नारायण जी नायक, लक्ष्मण बहादुर और पृथ्वीराज जी हरिचंदन जी, इन सब सारे लोगों ने समर्थन किया, और साथ ही साथ हमारे विधायक दल के सभी सम्मानित सदस्यों ने तालियां बजाकर इसका जो है स्वागत किया। इसलिए मोहन मांझी जी को मैं सर्वसम्मत भारतीय जनता पार्टी विधायक दल उड़ीसा का मैंने नेता निर्वाचित घोषित किया है। और जो इनसे बातचीत करने के बाद मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा कि बेहतर यह होगा कि उप मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में श्री केवी सिंह देव जी और श्रीमती प्रभाती परिडा, इनके नाम की भी यही घोषणा कर दी जाए। तो मुख्यमंत्री जी की सहमति से इन नामों की भी घोषणा की है। आप सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
वर्तमान आमर नवनिर्वाचित मुख्यमंत्री प्रार्थी एवं आमर
over there declaring Mohan Maji as the new Chief Minister of Odisha. As we were informing you earlier, he is known to have a strong tribal connect. He is one face that is representing the tribal community of Odisha. Not to forget the kind of service, the public service that he's also delivered. Somebody who's also known to have that kind of grassroots connect. Yet another state where the BJP has made conscious effort.
जगन्नाथ
ओडिशार आराध्य देवता महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ को मोर कोटि कोटि नमस्कार एवं प्रणाम जनाऊँ। आज महाप्रभु जगन्नाथंकर आशीर्वाद रे आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी ओडिशा प्रदेश रे एकक संख्या गरिष्ठता हासिल करी आज सरकार प्रतिष्ठा करिबारे महाप्रभुंकर आशीर्वाद रही एवं ताहा सहित जो 4.5 कोटी ओडिशार लोक माने जो माने कि एथर परिवर्तन करिवार जो संकेत देइथिले एवं ताहा कार्य परिणत करी भारतीय जनता पार्टी को पूर्ण समर्थन करी बहुमत रे विजयी करी आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सरकार आनिथिबारु से 4.5 कोटी ओडिया को मोर कोटि कोटि प्रणाम जनाऊँ। धन्यवाद दूची एवं आज जो दीर्घ 24 वर्षर शासन थिला तार परिवर्तन होईची एवं लोक माने जो आशा एवं आकांक्षा एवं ओडिशार विकास पाई जेबड़ी भाव में भारतीय जनता पार्टी प्रति आस्था प्रकट करिसंती निश्चित भाव में भारतीय जनता पार्टी आगामी दिन में ताकू संपूर्ण भाव में पूरण करने सहित ओडिशा को भारत वर्ष रे 1 नंबर राज्य में परिणत करने निश्चित भाव में आज संकल्प नौछि एवं ता निश्चित भाव में आगामी दिन में ता कार्यकारी करिवो। समस्त को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।